If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Saris are a special staple in every Indian woman's wardrobe. Whether it's a sari borrowed from her mom or the trendiest new one out there, they truly make all women look their best. Here are some style hacks that will help you to never go wrong with a sari. First things first, your petticoat must fit perfectly. Shapewear petticoats that are lightweight yet stretchy will give the right fit for your sari to drape seamlessly. Your sari can feel bulky or ill-fitted if it isn't draped well or tight enough. Once you finish the pleats, pull the excess fabric from under them and tuck it for a snug fit. Make broader pleats by using more fabric to ensure that they don't gather or bunch up at the waist and look bulky. The way you carry your pallu depends entirely on your personal style and gives you all the room to experiment. If you want to opt for a sleeker look around your arms and shoulders, pleating up a narrow pallu over your shoulders will help, as it will not add any extra volume. While nothing can beat a classic sari look, a little experiment never hurt anyone. Don't be afraid to break a monotone look with a contrast or a print. It will only add interest and some structure to your look. Adding a neutral or metallic belt to your sari drape will help your outfit look put together. Hope these tips help you flaunt your 9-yard beauty more often. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.